At eBay, we recommend that you offer free postage on your listings. Here's why it's important. In some categories and subcategories, free postage is seen as standard by potential buyers. People look at the whole package when buying, and postage is part of that equation. They may ignore listings with a postage charge or exclude them from search results by using the free postage filter. That's especially the case when people are on the move. By offering free postage, they won't have to add together the item price and the postage price in their heads. With free postage, you're giving your listings a greater chance of selling. And if your listing qualifies for fast and free, you could benefit from extra visibility in search results. So, why not offer free postage on your listings today? Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.